Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet. So today we're doing something different in the sense that I want to do a weekly vlog this week because this is a really busy week and we're getting into October, we're getting into fall. This coming week I have 2 exams, but presently I'm going to my auntie's place somewhere around to just stay for the long weekend because I really needed some family time. But anyway, I haven't really talked about, like, I always come on here and say, oh, I'm not doing well, oh, I'm feeling sad, but I realize I never actually talk about why I'm sad, and so I will talk about it more on this week's vlog. But thank you for tuning in, and I'll speak to you the next time I see you. So I just came back from a job interview. I think it went well. Finding a job has been so hard. It's been one of the biggest sources of what I've been going through. But hopefully, by the time this goes up, I'll have gotten the job I just interviewed for. But yeah, I just wanted to open up because I'm always saying I'm sad, I'm struggling, I'm sad. And I just wanted to say why I feel this way. I think it's important to open up. I think it's important to talk about what we're going through. So I'm going to expose myself to the entire internet, or the few people who watch my videos anyway. So I recently lost a friendship that I thought I'd have forever, and it's really crippled me. It's really crippled me. I know it's my fault for investing so much, but I'm a lover girl. jokes. Anyway, for real, it's been so hard. I feel really lonely. The fact that I'm not in close proximity with the people that I know love me and care about me really messes with me. It makes me feel like I'm so worthless. No one cares about me, but so many people care about me. The creator of the universe cares about me, so I really shouldn't be feeling this way because of one person, but I do. And so that's one of the few things that's been going on. But I shouldn't be sitting on my bedroom floor talking about this when I literally have an econ exam tomorrow and a math exam the day after that. So let's get back to it.